Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. Children, I hope you all are enjoying your online classes, and also I hope that you all are able to understand the studies which we are doing online. Now, as you all know that today is our English literature class, and last week we have started with our English literature chapter number 5, The Happy Field. I have given you hard words, word meanings, true and false, and fill in the blanks till now, and I hope you all have completed your work till here. Now today, children, I am going to explain you the question answers of this chapter, but before starting with the question answers, I will give you a short recap of the story. So children, please listen to my video very carefully. Anybody who have not attended my last class in which I have explained the story, so you can get the recap of the story from this video. Okay, so please listen to me very carefully. So children, you all know that this story was about a field which was very bored of itself. वो अपने से बहुत बोर हो चुका था. जो फील्ड था वो अपने आप से बहुत बोर हो चुका था. क्यों? बिकॉज इट वॉज वेरी डल एंड प्लेन. उसमें कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं था, सिर्फ एक डल लैंड था, प्लेन था, जिसमें ग्रीन ग्रास थी. दैट्स इट. ओके, सो it was the field was very unhappy as it was very dull and the plain, and it was only covered with grass, and the cows used to come and graze the green grass. So children, what happened? One day the field decided to grow a hump to make some change in it, and it pushed itself from the ground, and the beautiful hump appeared on one side of the field. You all remember I explained you before also that field जब अपने आप से बहुत बोर हो चुका था तो उसने क्या डिसाइड किया था? To grow a hump. Okay, so it pushed itself from the ground and a little hump appeared in the ground. And what happened? One side, when the hump grew, on the other side the land became hollow and it was bare. Bare means उसमें कुछ भी नहीं था, एक ज़मीन में गड्ढा हो गया था. Okay, so on the other side, one side the hump appeared, and on the other side the hollow appeared in the ground. So what happened, children? Seeing that hollow, the clouds, what did the clouds do? The clouds poured some rain in it and a lake was formed. Now when the clouds saw that the hollow was bare, totally bare, there was nothing inside it, so the clouds poured some rain and it became as a lake. It became a lake there. Now what happened, children? In that lake, the ducks and geese came to play. Okay, the ducks and geese used to swim there. So now what happened, children? The field was having a beautiful hump, and with the cows there were geese and ducks also in the lake. Okay, children, so seeing all this, the field became very happy. Now one day again the field decided to grow the hump little bigger as a hill, so that there will be some trees on it, and the trees will give shade to the cows. Now children, what happened? that the field became very happy. But one day again it thought that the cows come and sit in that field, and they used to feel very hot because there was no shade and the sun used to shine for the whole day. From morning to evening the sun used to shine, and the weather used to become very hot. So the field decided to grow the hump into the shape of a hill, okay, into a bigger hump, so that it looks like a hill, and on that hill there will be some trees grown, okay. So the trees will give shade to the cows. So what happened, children? Again it pushed itself from the ground and the hump became bigger and it formed a hill. Now, as the hill was formed on one side, the other side where there was a lake, the lake also expanded and it became into a river. It looked like a river. So जो लेक था वो लेक छोटा होता है तो लेक बढ़ के river बन गया, okay. So in that river now fish also started to swim inside it, okay. वहाँ पे अब ducks और geese के साथ कौन आ गया था? Fish. Is that clear, children? Now the field was very happy now to see all these changes in it, okay. But one day when the field saw a rainbow in the sky, which was formed by the nature itself, then it decided to form a rainbow of its own. Now what happened, children? जब field ने बारिश होने के बाद एक रेनबो को देखा तो फील्ड ने सोचा कि मैं भी अपना खुद का एक रेनबो फील्ड में बनाऊं, ओके. सो व्हाट डिड इट डू? इट स्क्वीज्ड द ग्रास. स्क्वीज मतलब एकदम जोर से ग्रास को दबा देना. तो the field squeezed the grass and the flowers came out of the grass. Now children, you all know that flowers are very colorful, so different colorful flowers started to grow there, and it looked like the rainbow. So the flowers gave the effect of a rainbow. So this was the way how the flat field became very beautiful when the rainbow of flowers, when the flowers were grown there as a rainbow. So जब फ्लावर्स होते हैं तो फ्लावर्स पे कौन आता है? Butterflies and bees. So they used to the butterflies and bees were attracted towards the flowers, so they used to come to collect the nectar, and they used to form honey also. They used to make honey from the nectar. So butterflies and bees were all the time sitting on the flowers, okay. They were playing. So seeing all this, the field became very satisfied, the field became very happy, and this was the way how the flat field became very beautiful. इसी तरह से जो फ्लैट फील्ड था जिसमें कुछ भी नहीं था वो बहुत सुंदर बन गया, and it started living very happily. Now children, you understood the story, that what the story was about. Now I am going to explain you the question answers, so listen to the question answers very carefully. This will be your assignment today. You will write these question answers in your notebooks also. Is that clear, children? Now as you can see on your screen, I have written the question answers on the board, okay, and now I am going to explain you these question answers, okay. First of all, as you all know, what you have to do, children, you have to write the date on a new page, that is today's date, 17/8/2020, and then you will give the heading lesson number 5, the happy field, okay. Next line you will write question answers, heading of question answers, E part, and our first question is question number 1. why did the field look plain and dull in the beginning? शुरू में, बिगनिंग में फील्ड प्लेन और डल क्यों दिखता था? So the answer is the field looked plain and dull in the beginning because it was only covered with green grass. So children, the answer is field plain और dull शुरू में क्यों लगता था? क्योंकि वो सिर्फ ग्रीन ग्रास से कवर्ड था और उसमें कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा चीज नहीं थी, सिर्फ ग्रीन ग्रास था. ओके, सो दिस इज योर आंसर. द फील्ड लुक प्लेन एंड डल इन द बिगिनिंग because it was only covered with green grass. Okay, don't think that this answer is very big, because children, what you can do when in the exam, if this question will be asked, what you will write? From the question you can write the field looked plain and dull in the beginning. Till beginning you can get from the question itself. Okay, the से लेके the field looked plain and dull in the beginning तक आपको क्वेश्चन में से ही आंसर मिल जाएगा. यू हैव टू ओनली लर्न बिकॉज इट वॉज ओनली कवर्ड विद ग्रीन ग्रास. आपको कहाँ से याद करना है अच्छे से? बिकॉज से, बिकॉज इट वॉज ओनली कवर्ड विद ग्रीन ग्रास. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हाउ डिड द फील्ड ग्रो अ हम्प? अब फील्ड ने हम्प कैसे बनाया, कैसे ग्रो किया था? आंसर इज द फील्ड पुश्ड इन अ रफ वे टिल इट ग्रू अ ब्यूटिफुल हम्प. फील्ड ने क्या किया था? अपने आप को अंदर ग्राउंड की तरफ से इतना पुश किया था कि जब तक उसमें एक हम्प नहीं उठ गया. ओके, सो द फील्ड पुश्ड इन अ रफ वे. रफ मीन्स कुछ भी ध्यान से, कोई एक पर्टिकुलर पार्ट पे नहीं, बस उसने अपने आप को पुश किया एक रफ वे में और उसमें एक ब्यूटीफुल हम्प बन गया. सो द आंसर इज द फील्ड पुश्ड इन अ रफ वे टिल इट ग्रू अ ब्यूटीफुल हम्प. ओके, कमिंग टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डिड द क्लाउड डू टू द hollow in the ground? Now when the hump appeared on one side, on the other side what appeared? A hollow. Okay, hollow appeared in the ground. So on seeing the hollow, what did the clouds do, children? So the answer is the cloud poured the rain into the hollow. Clouds ने क्या किया था? रेन से उसको भर दिया था, उस हॉलो को रेन से भर दिया था, रेन वाटर से, बारिश करके बारिश से भर दिया था. ओके, सो द क्लाउड पोर्ड द रेन इनटू द हॉलो. नाउ कमिंग टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. हु टुक द नेक्टर फ्रॉम द फ्लावर्स? व्हाट डिड दे डू विद इट? नाउ द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि नेक्टर किसने लिया था? फ्लावर्स से नेक्टर कौन लेता था और उससे वो क्या करते थे? सो द बटरफ्लाइज एंड द बीज टुक नेक्टर फ्रॉम द फ्लावर्स. ओके, कौन लेता था? फर्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन है हु टुक द नेक्टर फ्रॉम द फ्लावर्स, तो उसका आंसर है द बटरफ्लाइज एंड द बीज टुक नेक्टर फ्रॉम द फ्लावर्स. कौन कौन लेता था? बटरफ्लाइज एंड बीज. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन उसमें पूछा है व्हाट डिड दे डू विद इट, वो उससे क्या करते थे? सो द बीज मेड स्वीट हनी फ्रॉम द नेक्टर. हनी कौन बनाता है? बीज. सो द बीज यूज टू मेक स्वीट हनी फ्रॉम द नेक्टर. इज दैट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? दिस इज ऑल in this chapter. This is all in the question answers. There are only 4 question answers and I hope children you all have understood the question answers. Okay, now once again I am reading the question and answers, so listen to it very carefully. Question number 1 asks you, why did the field look plain and dull in the beginning? Answer is the field looked plain and dull in the beginning because it was only covered with green grass. Okay, it was only covered with green grass. Question number 2, how did the field grow a hump? So the answer is the field pushed in a rough way till it grew a beautiful hump. Okay, now question number 3, what did the cloud do to the hollow in the ground? Cloud ने hollow को क्या किया था? So the answer is the cloud poured the rain into the hollow. Is that clear? Coming to the last question, that is question number 4. Who took the nectar from the flowers and what did they do with it? There are 2 questions in this question. So the answer is the butterflies and the bees took nectar from the flowers. The bees made sweet honey from the nectar. Is that clear, children? I hope you all have understood the question answers. With this video, children, I am going to give you question answers as an assignment. Okay, you have to complete this assignment in your notebooks, and yes, you also have to complete the make sentences. I will write the make sentences in the assignment. I will type it and give you, and you can write from there. Okay, so you have to complete question answers and make sentences. Then your chapter 5 will be completed, and make sure that you complete it and get it corrected by me. Okay, so please come to school or send your copies to school with your parents. Okay, and get it corrected by me. Okay, and the timing for correction is from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Okay, in the afternoon. So please make sure that you come on time to get your copies corrected. Is that clear, children? Okay, Monday to Friday you can come from 10 o'clock in the morning to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, so please complete your work on time. Okay, now till my next video, children, complete your work very neatly, very carefully, without making any mistakes, and also start learning your work. Okay, children? Till then, bye bye, take care, and stay at home, stay safe.